Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying basics. Confirm your Airtel SIM supports Volte and your phone has the correct firmware. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Mobile Network, right arrow Enable Volte or Enhanced 4G LTE. Make sure data is on or at least network registration occurs. Volte uses the LTE radio for calls. After enabling, toggle airplane mode for 5-10 seconds to force re-registration with the network. This quick refresh often shows the VoLTE icon and prepares you for testing a call. Once you've enabled VoLTE, set preferred network type to 4G/LTE so the radio stays on LTE for calls. This prevents fallbacks to 3G. Then make a test call to a responsive contact. You should notice faster call setup and clearer audio, signs of HD voice. If your phone has dual SIM, ensure Airtel is the primary SIM for voice or temporarily disable the other SIM, because conflicting SIM settings can block VoLTE. Also verify carrier updates and restart after changes to locks. To finish, confirm the VoLTE icon appears during a call and evaluate audio clarity. That verifies proper setup. If it doesn't work, reinsert the Airtel SIM and reboot. Make sure carrier settings are up to date and that your plan includes VoLTE. If problems persist, collect IMEI and SIM details, then contact Airtel support for provisioning. Sometimes the carrier must activate VoLTE on their side. One key troubleshooting tip: try the SIM in another compatible 4G phone to isolate handset versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.